recipe, one I feel perfectly comfortable serving even after dinner party.